Hey friends, Scott Smith with the Smith team at Keller Williams. Wanted to share with you some insights on a question that we get quite often, and those are answering those myths about down payments and how much you need to purchase a home. So I've got 3 points I just wanted to share with you that'll hopefully get you on the road to homeownership. And if you're looking to make a move, certainly reach out to us. We'll give you a hand with that. The first thing is that 70% of people think that you need to have at least 10% down payment or more, which is absolutely not true. There are some fantastic loan programs out there that are less than 10% down. The first one is actually a zero down loan for VA financing. So VA financing, if you're a veteran, take advantage of that VA financing with zero down, and actually the interest rates on those are quite a bit less. If you're looking in rural markets, there's also another zero down payment loan for rural development through the U.S. Department of Agriculture. It's a great loan program that we've helped a couple clients that are looking at a little bit more rural areas. Some of those areas you might be surprised at how close they are actually to the metro Twin Cities market. Third option is a FHA, 3.5% down typically. FHA is a great program. It's not exclusively for first-time buyers. So there's a lot of people that are exploring those FHA loans because those rates are usually about 0.5% less than you would see on a traditional conventional loan. So some great options with that. And also with that, many banks have a community program or certain type of loan programs that are geared towards lower down payment with a strong credit score, where you might be able to get into a 2%, 3%, or even a 5% type of loan. So some great programs and some options, less than 10% down. So don't need to save and save and save. You can get into a house instead of paying rent with a little bit less down payment. The second thing I wanted to share with you is that savings process. What does that look like? Most first-time buyers, or if you're paying rent right now, if you're in a rental situation, it's really tough to catch up and kind of get over that hump to save money for down payment because rent rates have actually gone through the roof over the last 5 years. So there are some great programs out there for budgeted savings. You can work with your local bank or a lender to do that. A couple other options that we've worked with some of our buyer clients with is getting a gift from a family member. So it depends on the relationship that you have with them, and then also the financial capability that they have. But having a gift from a parent, we call it sometimes family financing for that down payment. Those are some great options as well. If that's not an option for you and you've got good retirement savings, many of those retirement accounts allow you to pull money out of there without any tax penalty for the purchase of a home. So certainly talk with your financial advisor and your accountant when it comes to that. But there are some great options for you if you've been a good saver and you've had money in your retirement accounts. It's a great option to put that money into a down payment program versus paying rent. The third thing I wanted to share with you are some of those down payment assistance programs. If option 2 isn't available to you and you're just ready to get into a place, there are some great first-time buyer down payment assistance programs. We've helped many clients with these programs, and having a great loan officer to work with is certainly the best thing you can do. Someone that's knowledgeable with the first-time buyer and down payment assistance programs. One little caveat with that, though, is you hear first-time buyer. If you've owned a home, but maybe you've been renting for the last 3, 4, 5 years, you would actually qualify for many of these programs. So even though you've owned a home before, doesn't disqualify you from taking advantage of those down payment assistance programs. So there are some different limitations with those, but they're pretty loose. But so certainly connect with a good lender to get on the road to homeownership. So there's 3 different things, hopefully getting rid of those myths about down payment assistance or about saving for a down payment. When the time is right, we'd love to help you and get you connected with a good lender and get you on the road to homeownership. There's some great opportunities out there rather than paying rent. So certainly reach out to us, 651-777-3434. You can send us a direct message or call us, and we'll be happy to get you on that road to homeownership. Thanks. Take care.